This is the fanciest and most expensive area in Tehran, the capital of Iran. This neighborhood is like a separate country within the district, similar to the Vatican. Here, you'll catch sights you won't find anywhere else in Tehran. From luxury supercars and antique cars, to high-end shopping malls and restaurants where a single meal costs as much as an employee's monthly salary. Speaking of money, house prices here are anything but normal. They start at $8,000 and can climb up to $15,000 or even higher, depending on a range of factors. In the past, Elahieh was a peaceful, garden-filled area outside central Tehran, known for its lush landscapes and large estates. It was primarily a retreat for Tehran's elite and aristocracy, who built grand villas surrounded by greenery, making it a secluded, upscale area long before the city expanded around it. And that's why the sidewalks here are so narrow. Cozy and luxurious, coffee shops are the ultimate hangout spots in Tehran. They're especially popular among young Iranians looking to relax and connect. The trendiest cafes are often found in the northern part of the city, especially within high-end shopping malls. In the city's upscale neighborhoods in Tehran, you'll find pristine streets and sparkling parks, thanks to the extra care from the municipality. Maybe it's because residents here contribute more through taxes than those in less affluent areas. Despite the global sanctions, Tehran is like a larger version of Dubai. There's still plenty to explore in the city's luxurious areas. So please subscribe and watch the next video.